Hi, I'm walking towards this really cute station. I think you guys are really going to like it. It's it's a little station, very pretty, very picturesque, and the name of the station is the Saint Legier Village. So let's go and check it out. So I'm approaching the station now. This behind me is the parking. It's not a very big parking, but I guess it's sufficient for the number of people who use the station. So on the left you can see that little platform over there, and there's this signal, and on the right you can see that that's the station. It's called the Saint Legier Village, and it's a single track. The trains, they come from both side, this side as well as that side, and today it's a little cloudy, but on a clear day you can see Lake Geneva from here and a clear view of the mountains with the snow. So I'm going to now walk into the little room over here. So on the left, this is the place where you can buy your tickets, and there's a little map over here. This is the place where you can pay, and this is the screen where you can choose, and there's a little bench over here, and these are the schedules of the trains. So the next train goes to Blone and it's going to come at 12:22. So that's about 10 minutes from now, but I'm going to wait here and I'm going to try and get a video of the train as it comes. So everything's in French over here. Gare means station, and you can walk down this platform. It's a big platform actually, considering the maximum number of people that I have seen over here is not more than 10. And there are these houses on the right and on the left, and as like all Swiss houses, they're very well maintained. And there's this mirror over here. I, Now I'm going to walk back. It's The station is empty today because it's a Saturday, and I guess schools are shut, and so are offices. Otherwise, on a working day, sometimes you see these groups of young boys and girls going somewhere for their extracurricular activities for or to school. So now I'm going to stand here and I'm going to wait for the train to come and try and get a video. So when the train is going to come, the signal over there, you can see the signal, it's going to change. It's going to change to green, and the road will be closed. You can see these barriers, they're going to come down, and the traffic, whatever little there is, will need to stop. So as you can see, the barrier is shut now. I couldn't catch the barrier as it was shutting, and the signal is green, and the train is going to be to Blone, so it's going to be going up, and it's going to come from this side. So I'm going to wait. You can hear the sound on the tracks. They come, and there it comes. So there it comes. So I'm going to watch some of the people come off. It's interesting how the door opens because there's a step that comes out. See, there's that step that comes out which allows older people to get off easily. Uh, so now it's going to go all the way to Blonay. Blonay is about 5 to 7 minutes from here by train, maybe a little more. So now you can see that signal, it's going to turn red and the barrier is going to open and the cars are going to move. So that's the Saint Legier village station, a little cute station, and it actually reminds me of some of the stations that one passes through while traveling to Shimla from Kalka.